Hi, I'm Lynne with Soft Squares. We are going to do day number 2 for opening my Advent boxes. There are 3 of them. Let's see what's in there. Alright, so there are 2 quilting boxes and 1 non-quilting box. I'm going to open A, B, and the non-quilting box, and we're going to do this every day through the 25th. So let's see what day 2 has. So the A box has a project bag. I love these bags, and you're going to get a bunch of them, but the nice thing is usually, not always, there's going to be a project in there. In this case, there's not a project, but it's a bunch of fabric. You're getting 2 yards of white, and this is Riley Blake's Riley White. They're confetti cotton, so you get 2 yards of that. And then I have 3 1/2 yard cuts of this, which is a Woodland Christmas by Liberty Fabrics. So let's see what that looks like. I'm struggling. All right, so we have that one, and this one. Do you see the little deer in that one? And then here's the other one. Okay, so these are 1/2 yard cuts. I have a few yards of this left. If there's something, if you're interested in it, go to softsquares.com and you'll see that there. But that's what's going on with the A box. There's only the project bag with the fabric in it, but no project. The B box. B box has this. There's stuff in there. All right, so let's see. You know, it's just as much of a surprise to me as it is to you, because I boxed these up a while ago, and even though I have notes remembering exactly what's in them, I can't remember. All right, so I've got the box open here, and it says, warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. And inside it, can you see this? I'm going to change the camera angle so you can see down in there. All right, here we are. Why? Why? All right, so here's our box. Here's what's inside it. There's a lot packed in here. This is basically where all the notions are. So instead of giving you one little notion here and there, or even a whole box, Advent box full of notions, I've put everything all in one place, so it's like a substantial thing to open, and then you're not going to be bothered with these the rest of the time. But a lot of these are things that you either don't have or you need extras of. So first thing on top, I have a cleaning tool for your machine. It has the pipe cleaner end and the little brush, and that's what that is. And then there's a lot of little bags in here. This one has a bunch of zippers. I think they are 8-inch zippers. Let's see. They are 6-inch zippers. 6-inch zippers. I think there's 10. There you go. There's 10. And then this right here is a bag of zipper pulls. And everyone's colors might be a little bit different, but these are just little plastic pulls that you can choose to put on the end of your zipper. And there's no project specific for this, but these are great for making little bags. And just like a pocket on something. So that's what that one is. If I don't put them away as I do it, it becomes a really big mess. All right, we also have this. This is the seam allowance tape that's actually washi tape. Put it on your machine and it will help you. The red is the center seam and the black lines are 1/4 inch from the center seam on both sides. So this you can reposition, put it on your sewing machine, and this will help you with your 1/4 inch seam. Okay, and this right here actually is washi tape. You can do a lot with this. It's good for marking on your ruler. They're going to be all different colors, but you are going to get 5. You can put it on your cutting surface. You can put on the marking, the actual sewing surface. You can put on here if you need to frame a size. You can use the washi tape right on here because it's repositionable. It's not sticky. There's even more uses than that, but these are just the quick uses as a quilter that come to mind. So there's that. Here's another little bag. This one has a pair of scissors. They're wrapped up really good. Whoop. Okay, oh, no wonder they won't work. They have the little plastic tip on there. So great for handwork, or if you just need to snip some threads here and there. They have a good sound to them. So wrap it back up. Another little bag. This has a lapel pin of a sewing machine, and it looks like an old-fashioned one. It almost looks like a featherweight. You have to tell me if you think it's a featherweight or something, what model you think it could be. It's really cute, but it's got the stick pin on the back, and it has some little rhinestones or crystals on the handwheel. Oh, and actually there's one right here. Another little bag. This one has an ornament in it. It is a gnome. Kind of have a little bit of a gnome theme going on. I didn't plan it, but I'm noticing a lot of them. But this is the ribbon that you'll need to hang it, and get that so it will hang. Anyway, so here that is up close. Another little bag. Okay, so this is just a note about it. This is actually a metal tape measure with sticky tape on the back. I'm not going to take it out of here because it's really, really hard to contain. But it's basically, I've got them right here on my machine, or my surface right here. You open it up and you can stick it down, and then you have something really quick that's just like right there. And this is a little bit different color. This one's yellow, but that's what it is. Actually, I think I can open it, but I can't. I don't want to set it free because it's gonna just go everywhere. So you have the metric and the imperial numbering in there. And I cannot remember how long it goes, but I think you only need up to like 60, and even that's pretty long to put on a surface. So that's what this is for. This is meant to be fastened to a steady surface. All right, here is another little bag. This has a tiny little clipboard and a pen that also doubles as a stylus. So it has the soft end on it and just the rotating pen. But look how cute this is, just taking notes, just a little something. I think we always need something like that, notes. Oops, what have I got going on here? All right, we have this. You're going to notice as you open the bags, it'll be more obvious, but there's a lot of electronic things in here. And to make life easier, I've included this adaptive gadget. So here you can plug in that side. Under the sticker, you've got 4 or 3 different adapter ends. It's actually a There. Folds up like this, so you can go in 2 different directions. Of course, sticker will come off, but you've got this looks like the apple one, and then the small, I don't know the numbers of them, but it goes quite far out. And this right here is a stand. So you can sit it like this and put your phone on it and it will stand. Of course, I'm not standing near my phone to even give you an example. I have this tape measure here, so you can just put your thing here and plug it in and charge it, or just let it sit. I think this is just something handy to have. And maybe you need to do both sides at the same time. There, good enough. All right, more, there's more. This right here has my little logo on it, my sticker. This is a little 2-inch square with some rotary blades, 2-inch square container, so you can repurpose it or you can keep it for your rotary blades. There are 5 blades in here. Be really, really careful. Don't hold them the way I am, unless you're really confident. So 5 rotary blades for 45 millimeters, and that was it, other than a little note saying all the things you should be getting. And as you can see, there's quite a list of things. The non-quilting box, they are going to get a wax melt warmer. I don't know if you can see that better there. Let's take it out of the container. So it has our little topper where the waxes actually sit. And then here is the candle warmer. It's got the bulb and the cord down in there. Let's see if we can see that. Not pretty. You can see it lit up here on the box. So you just put your little tray there and your wax in there and plug it in. It actually comes with a replacement bulb. Either that or they accidentally gave us 2 in this particular one. So let me know if you got this box and if you got 2 bulbs in your number 2 for the non-quilter box. That is it for day 2. Come back tomorrow and see what's in day 3.